Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy Big B with Jenkins in the kitchen, along with my beautiful wife, the only Nikki J. And we're gonna have a toast today. Yeah, buddy, we're back. What are we doing?
We didn't go anywhere. Today we're making crispy smashed potatoes. You probably had these in the restaurant, the little potatoes. They're nice, crispy, buttery, smashed with a little Parmesan cheese. Did your parents teach you not to play with your food? Your parents teach you not to play with your food for a reason. This one, you used to get in trouble. These are
just too light. I can usually do this a lot better.
We're making some crispy potatoes today.
Yeah,
Let's
buddy.
get to it.
So we had to boil the potatoes for 20 minutes. That's already been done. And now I'm going to smash the potatoes like the Hulk. They call it Hulk smash using a glass. So here we go. I'm gonna start in the middle. Smash. Just have to take your finger.
I said twist it.
And there you go. That's number one. And it will release shortly. That one is not pretty. Now it's time to add the grass-fed butter. So here we go. Nice and smooth. Get it on all the way around. Completely covering the whole potato. Yeah, buddy, I can smell it. It's gonna be tasting so delicious.
Now, don't be afraid of grass-fed butter. It's good. It has nutrients. It has vitamins K in it. It has CLA in it. We've been fooled about the margarine. Butter is actually not bad for you. Grass-fed butter is our favorite, and the flavor is, what is it, honey?
The flavor is so delicious. It goes down even.
Okay, now we're going to season the potatoes. I'm using a little bit of truffle salt. This is truffle salt. I actually like this brand called Omnivore truffle salt better. You can just taste the truffle better, but today I'm using this because it's what I got. So we're going to sprinkle these guys. Then we're going to take some freshly grated Parmesan. So we got this from the cheese section in the store. Please don't use like the green Parmesan, the Kraft brand Parmesan, the kind of Parmesan that doesn't go in the refrigerator. Don't use that. You want fresh. I want to sprinkle this on top.
So, after everything has been seasoned with the Parmesan cheese and the grass-fed butter, and now it's time to put them in the oven for...
And truffle salt.
And truffle salt. For how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Depending on your oven.
Yeah, buddy, it's time to do the taste test of these crispy smashed potatoes. Let me grab the biggest one. Here we go. Gotta smell it first.
My mom told me it was rude to smell your food. Hear that crunch?
Close
Better
your
than
eyes.
potato chips.
Close your eyes with that crunch. Damn. Can you say damn? Damn, these are good. It goes down.